Gonna cut it out.
You'll have a birthday, don't you? Get older. It's alright, just stop counting.
Well, I did last year, I was on the turn,
God,
it just is
39 last week, Eve.
39.
Jane, does it drive you mad?
No, Mummy's not as old as Salty
Sing happy
Jean.
birthday to Jane.
No one's as old as me.
She's actually walking through.
Oh, is he? Right.
Not 2 and she knows.
So you want 36, Eve?
She knows a few of them.
I'm 38 on the
Oh, so you're not... Oh, year behind, eh?
Yeah, well, we'll do some now.
Why is she intelligent?
Let's do
Is it
some
me,
now.
isn't it?
Well, look, I'm sorry about this, but it ain't you. I mean, he had 6 grades for shilling.
Out the way,
I'll tell you what, I'll tell you a story about Wilf, right? He had this mini, right, and he had to put this exhaust on, and he fucked it 3 times. We had nearly
What, the exhaust? That must have been painful.
It was, I tell you.
He nearly
It's only a small
he
one,
nearly
wasn't
got sued by Kennins because it came off on the on the main road.
On the
And
highway
they
even.
looked on the old service thing, and who was it who fitted it?
What's inside
Wilf
it?
Lavagna. He was taken in the
Oh,
office.
Will.
He was taken in the office and he was told off for strip for not doing your job properly.
Stripped? Oh, it was stripped.
Yeah, well, I would like to
Who's that, Boris?